Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Second lesson, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay. We have to discuss behavior of conductor in external field. Okay. And behavior of dielectric in external field. Now, what is dielectric? In simple words, it means insulator or poor conductor. If you want to describe in detail, it is like this: having the property of transmitting electric force without conduction. So it will transmit electric force, but it won't allow charge to flow. Okay, that is called dielectric. Now this is external field E outside. Okay, I have placed above the cases. Okay. Now what will happen? We know that in conductors, electrons are free to move. Okay, so they will travel in this direction. So here there will be positive ions will be there because electrons have left atoms. Okay, so there will be a developing electric field inside the conductor that is opposite to the external field. At certain time, okay, what will happen? Certain time means after some time, okay, at some point of time, what will happen? That external field and internal field will be equal in opposite direction. So net field will be zero in the conductor. That we have already discussed earlier. Okay. See how much charge we want to transfer, that we can decide by applying external force. So we are free to decide. That's why the surface charge density here is called sigma free. Here free means we are free to decide how much electric field we want to produce inside, or how many electrons we want to transfer. Okay, so that is called behavior of conductor in external field. Okay, inside electric field is zero. What about dielectric? They are insulators. Okay, so what will happen? That they are, as I explained here, they are of two types. Some are non-polar. They don't have electric dipole moment, or say vector P equals to vector 0. Okay, what will happen? Due to this electric field, the positive and negative charges will be separated by some extent. So dielectric dipole moment, electric dipole moment will be induced. That is called induced. Okay, so there will be some dipole moment. Due to that dipole moment, we will get some electric field inside. If the dielectric is polar type, means it has already electric dipole moment, then they will try to, suppose this I have drawn here, okay, so they will try to move like this, because see, minus will have attraction towards positive of the external field. In case of 0 Kelvin temperature, means ideal case, they will be arranged in this way. But that is not the case we know. But they will try to be parallel in like this. But their electric field will be opposite. See here, the electric field inside will be less compared to electric field outside. The surface charge density here is called sigma polarization. This is called polarization. Okay. So sigma p. Here, vector E0 plus vector E in is not vector 0. Okay, here it is 0, here it is not. Inside there will be some electric field inside the dielectric. Okay. Now types of dielectric. There are two types of dielectric that we have already discussed earlier in first lesson also. Polar molecules and non-molecules. Polar molecules means they have permanent electric dipole moment. That is non-zero. Okay, like this. See, this is HCl. We know that electric dipole moment is direction -2 plus. This is H2O. Okay, we know that electric dipole moment here will be in this direction, here it will be in this direction. If we make a vector sum according to parallelogram method, it will be like this. But it has some permanent electric dipole moment. That is called polar molecule. If this type of molecules are there, suppose H2, CO2, O2, in case of suppose H2, here what will happen? Here in polar molecules, the centers of positive ion or positive charge and negative charge are separated. They have some distance between them, so they have electric dipole moment. Here, the positive center of positive charge and negative charge will be at the same place, so electric dipole moment will be zero. In this type of molecules, they are also called non-polar because see here, CO2. Okay, so here suppose dipole moment will, here it will be in this direction, here it will, so they will cancel each other. So again net dipole moment is zero. Such molecules are called non-polar molecules. Okay, take a screenshot. Bye.